We have a slow Honda Accord over here. I don't know, it's got all this purple fun stuff that's on it. It's a 2003, I believe, EVO with a Force Engineering block and cylinder head. All the machine work done by our main man Tyler. Precision 6266. It's got ETS 6-inch intercooler on there. AMS intake manifold. 2150cc injectors. It's got some Kelfer 272 cams that are in there as well. We just weighed the car. It ended up being 20. There you go. It's about 2,600 pounds. It is a full glass vehicle. It's got the stock seats in there, which those will be coming out. So I mean, there's some weight to be pulled out of this thing, but for all intents and purposes, it's a 850 chassis car. Really nice piece. Got a lot of carbon on there, which is cool. Good looking wing. It's on this one of the strutless pieces, which I really like. Those are really neat. It's got tubular rear subframe and front subframe on the vehicle as well, which is pretty sweet. Kind of drop a little bit of that weight. Hopefully we can get this car into more of a street style class at the IFO events, if we ever get a chance to take it to one of them. Want to put this thing on the dyno and see if we can make a couple hundred horsepower. Enjoy.
just got wrapped up with the EVO. Made 792, 573. Made peak power at 7,800. We had the boost up to 42 pounds. It was 42 falling to 40. That's the little shape of the curve, but it was a good runner. We actually ended up hurting the turbocharger, so we're gonna get a different charger on it. But yeah, definitely happy with that. 792 to the tire on 40 pounds. The car, we weighed the car, it's 2,600 pounds, so it's definitely gonna be a fast car. Pretty cool, pretty crude interior. I like it. Race car stuff. Well, that's it for this one. We'll get another charger on this thing and see if we can make some more.